Hi everybody, Ellen Canner here. I have your great bruschetta topping vegetable dip everything. It's got punch, it's got flavor, it's got history. It's Nduja, funny name, great thing. So come in and see everything that it's going to use. Fennel, sun-dried tomatoes, Calabrian chili, real tomatoes, a little smoked paprika for smokiness, and a little bit of garlic. What it doesn't have is pork. Traditionally, it is a pork pate spread on bread, and it is smoky, earthy, delicious. We're going to have the power, we're going to have the punch, we're going to do it with plants. So, starting with about 3 ounces of sun-dried tomatoes. Also, I love this because it is a food processor wonder. A couple blitzes and you're done. 1 cup tomatoes, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, which I have toasted in my little cast iron skillet. That brings up the licorice-y flavors. 2 cloves garlic. A little shy of 1 teaspoon smoked paprika for that excellent smoky flavor. And I am using Calabrian chilies. They are long, slender, not quite as spicy as others, about ½ a teaspoon. So what I like to do is break one open, let it go. And 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And now we blitz. So here we are. That was maybe 2 minutes, and we have something rosy, punchy, beautiful, plant-based, not porky, no pork. And it is a dream on flatbread, but I have also discovered I like it very much on vegetables. And I also discovered when I was having a kind of hectic day, it is fantastic on pasta. So you have a quick, no-cook pasta sauce when you need it. And funny thing about pasta, if you love it like I do, you may want to take my class. No, you do want to take my class that I am teaching January 12th with Plant-Based for Life's Jay Zebart. We're going to do 3 pastas, all plant-based, all terrific. Maybe a little Nduja, maybe not. You have to tune in and see. I'll give you the information to come at the end, but I would love to see you there. So everyone, be well, have some Nduja, because we all need a little power and punch and plants in our life. Till next time, everyone, this is Ellen Canner. Thanks, bye-bye.